Mars.
Content na ako ni Mars.
Ugma pa ni Mars.
Ha?
Ugma pa ni.
Sure ba? Ugma ka maning ako mo.
Gamay raman ni Mars.
Sure ba?
Isa ra kakaunin mo manadayo.
Ay, ako.
Pwede ba dahil na, uy?
Daw akong video karon sa Surigao. Ang kaon na mo ni Sir.
Nana, sukaan ra?
Kuan ra. Nalang kay dito. Yan, pinapatak ko siya.
Sama na, uy? Kinason.
Yes, pinapatak ko siya.
Tasuka.
Asuka. Para siyang ano talaba.
Sige daw. Bako. Ikaw bakwa nana? Sure ba? Good luck.
Consistent honor student.
Okay, what
When
you say consistent, what does it mean?
Consistent is a very upper zoe. Grabe mong per...
Consistent means tuloy-tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy. Oh, kasi may hina kasi akong Tagalog. Alam hindi naman ni Baday.
English yan.
Oh, English ano ikaw? Speaking English.
Anong subject pinakataas mong grado?
Highest What subject?
Did you excel?
Excel.
What is excel?
My favorite subject is math.
Mathematics.
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry.
Algebra. Multiplication table. Go. Multiplication table. Go. Go.
9 times 9.
81.
81 plus 81.
Ay, baka na. 162 na din. 7 round off. Carry one.
7 times 7.
50 minus 1, 49.
Square root of 9.
3.
Ay! Brad, lagi ka.
Masama, tamo kanina ako ang basic.
Nagana maganda na.
Masama lang ko, sama lang ko, di ba? Di ba, ting? Bakit ang puti? Di ba, ting?
Sa maliwan. Nag-energy na naman siya. What is subtraction?
Subtraction?
Yeah, what is subtraction?
Minus. Huh? Oh. Addition? Plus.
Kasi tawag sa taas sa fraction.
Go.
Hindi mo na ako tubig ko.
Change topic. Change topic.
What do you call a perfect angle?
Perfect angle.
Triangle. Is the perfect angle?
Triangle?
Is that your final answer?
No, it's not my final answer.
So,
change Y to I. Walang square. Walang magkakaroon. ECD.
choices.
Choices. No. Hey, naman may choices siya. Ma'am, bawal na ba diri, ma'am? Okay. Ay, sakto na siya.
Oh.
Asa si Juan? Kasalanan.
Ingon to ang lakaw.
Lagaw. Lagaw. Lagi maya.
Paano yung nag-change yung noun?
Ang gana ko naging
Ganap siya.
Paila-ila naman daw po siya.
Wala siya sa laga.
Palagyan ako sa laga karon. Oh, no, blind no.
Kasi ito ang occasion.
Hindi ko naman sila lagi maya. Dili na sila. Kung sorry, we're closed. W-E-apostrophe-R-E. We're closed.
So what does it mean? Sorry, ano yun? Towards yan eh, anong ibig sabihin ng yun?
Is R was where? Past participle. Future tense.
We are.
Hello, we are.
Future, ha?
We are.
Past participle.
Where plus we are.
So, change. Tingnan mo po nga where.
Where nga? Ano yung meaning ng where?
We are.
Aside sa mathematics, what other subject?
History.
Science.
Araling Palipunan.
PE. PE.
Filipino.
No.
English.
College.
English.
Political science.
No.
What?
Ecology.
Logic.
Study of correct reasoning.
What?
Reasoning.
Logic.
Logic.
Study of?
Because the Jose Rizal said that if you have a good conscience in others, you perfectly what they said. Because Jose Rizal, nanalo ka.
Who is the father of logic?
Ikaw!
Ako na ba? Ako na ba agad? Why? Why?
Because you are very trustworthy. Trustworthy? Worth it.
Worth it? That's worth it.
Worthy.
Oh, worthy.
Trustworthy.
Sorry, kayo kaminsan po. Mental block.
Because the
Ready kayo
letter...
ba?
What is that?
Pulihan, ang tanong may makasunog diri.
English teacher.
Ayo ka English teacher? When you cop up in when you go in college, your profession, education, your subject is English. So talk to me in English. Inaamag kita.
What is noun?
Noun is
Ngayon. Ngayon yung noun.
Noun.
mga nouns, mga singular verbs.
Mali.
Noun.
Noun is pati kag noun.
Noun. Beshi, tara na, Beshi!
Saan ba kayo pumunta ni Beshi?
Raga na.
Ah.